Hurricane Milton hit the Florida coast with winds in excess of 150 miles per hour. This size of storm can collapse homes. It can flatten trees and trigger power outages that could last for weeks or even months. Texas has and will continue to get hit by hurricanes. And right now, all the property owners in Florida are wondering how good their insurance policy really is. I'm Marco Flores with Stormlex Law Group, and I help homeowners recover their insurance benefits after storms damage their property. While I step in to help after your claim has been filed, I want to share some life-changing information that can save you from facing two catastrophes. One is the storm itself, and the other is finding out your property insurance policy doesn't fully protect you. Check whether your policy is based on replacement cost value or actual cash value. This makes a huge difference. In most cases, ACV payouts are significantly lower, and if your roof is towards the end of its life, you're essentially self-insuring your roof if you have an ACV policy. The next thing you'll want to check is your deductible. This is the amount you're responsible for before the insurance kicks in. Some policies have percentage-based deductibles tied to the total value of your home, which can leave you with a hefty bill after a storm. If your deductible is too high, you might be left covering much more than you expect. You don't need a 5% deductible on your policy to lower your premiums, because your deductible could be very close to the value of your roof, and then you're out of pocket way too much money. All you need is a 1 to 2% deductible on your homeowner's policy. Now let's talk about flooding. The National Flood Insurance Program. You're going to want to check whether your policy covers all types of storm damage like flooding, wind, or hail. Call the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, at 877-336-2627 if you live in a flood zone, and make sure you get a flood policy, because flood damage, for instance, is usually excluded from standard policies and requires separate coverage. We are still in hurricane season in Texas. Make the time right now to review your insurance policy carefully. Get a copy of it, call your insurance agent, and make sure you have the right coverage in place.